Hello everyone, here's another video about the latest Polène bag, the Mokki bag. If you're considering the Mokki bag but you are not sure about the size of the bag, this video is for you. In this video, we will compare the size of the Mokki bag with the other popular Polène bags. Firstly, we will compare the Mokki bag with the Numero Neuf Mini. I know that the Numero Neuf Mini is a very popular model and a lot of you guys already have this bag. So, it will be easier to imagine the size of the Mokki bag in real life. When we put the two bags side by side, the length of the bag is not that much different. The Mokki bag is a little bit longer, but it can hold up much more stuff than the Numero Neuf Mini. When I put the bag on the side, you can see that the two bags have the same width. If you're worried that the Mokki bag is too big to use as a crossbody bag, do not worry. It is just the same as the Numero Neuf Mini. It won't appear overly bulky on you. Next, we will compare the Mokki bag with the Beri bag. The Mokki is obviously much bigger. The width of the Beri is thinner. So if you already have the Beri bag and you want to have another Polène bag, I think the Mokki bag will be a good option because it is bigger and the design is very different. Here's the Cyme Mini bag that I don't use a lot every day because I don't feel safe with the wide opening when carrying the bag with me on the metro in Paris. The Mokki bag is smaller, but it is much more secure because it's covered with the flap. It makes me feel safer when carrying the bag around crowded places. If you don't need to carry a lot of stuff to go to work, I think the Mokki bag will be great as a work bag. The Mokki's design will transition seamlessly from day to night. We also want to show you guys what fits in the Mokki. I have an iPad that fits in perfectly, so it would fit in a Kindle too. There's still a lot of space inside, so it would fit your wallet, keys, sunglasses. We have an A5 notebook that I will try to put inside the bag. It doesn't fit in, but if I try to push it down a little bit, it might fit. But I don't want to ruin my bag. But anything smaller than A5 size will definitely fit. Here's one thing I don't like about the Mokki bag. It is the lock of the bag. Although they put a plastic film to protect the metal, there are still a lot of scratches when opening and closing the bag. I would suggest not to remove the film. Which Polène bag do you want to see next? Comment below!